Hey art enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. In today's quick guide, we're diving into the exciting world of digital painting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, I've got some tips to help you master the art of digital painting in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. The first step is to ensure your digital workspace is optimized for a seamless painting experience. Choose a canvas size that suits your project, set your preferred brush settings, and customize your color palette. Having a comfortable workspace will enhance your creative process. Step 2. Selecting the right brushes. Next, let's talk brushes. Experiment with different brush types to find what works best for you. Most digital art software comes with a variety of brushes, from basic to specialized. Play around with opacity, size, and texture to achieve the desired effects in your painting. Step 3. Understanding layers. Layers are your best friend in digital painting. They allow you to work on different elements of your painting independently, making it easier to make adjustments without affecting the entire piece. Remember to organize your layers for a more efficient workflow. Step 4. Mastering blending techniques. To achieve realistic and smooth transitions in your digital paintings, mastering blending techniques is crucial. Experiment with blending modes, use soft brushes, and practice creating gradients. This will give your artwork a polished and professional look. Step 5. Adding details and textures. Now let's bring your painting to life by adding details and textures. Zoom in and focus on smaller areas using finer brushes to capture intricate elements. Don't be afraid to add texture to surfaces like skin, fabric, or landscapes, enhancing the overall depth of your artwork. Step 6. Experimenting with lighting and shadows. Lighting and shadows can transform a good painting into a masterpiece. Experiment with different light sources and pay attention to how shadows fall on your subject. This will add dimension and realism to your digital artwork. Step 7. Finalizing and exporting. As you approach the finish line, take the step back and evaluate your painting. Make any final adjustments, refine details, and ensure your composition is balanced. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export your masterpiece. Choose a high-resolution format suitable for your intended use. And there you have it, a quick guide to mastering digital painting in just 2 minutes. I hope these tips help you elevate your artistic skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy painting!